It is time again to take a closer look at the assembly and proper use of our products, to pick apart software and understand hardware in a deeper way. This week we wanted to show you how we made our Christmas Blynk project. This project's a combination of great hardware and even better software. The Sparkfun Blynk Board accesses the Blynk server and offers an application called Bridge that allows two boards to communicate over Wi-Fi using the server. With just a few tweaks to the Sparkfun Bridge example, I was able to have local buttons control remote LEDs in the manner I had hoped. I simply ran 12 volts into the box and split the power to the 12 volt LED strip and the 3.3 volt regulator for the Blynk board. All I needed were N-channel MOSFETs to control the ground lines on the 12 volt LEDs with the 3.3 volt Blynk board. I used our button boards to easily mount the buttons to the sidewalls of the projects. All that was left to do is drill holes in the appropriate places to light up the 3D prints, and then epoxy the models and all the electronics into place. All this made for a fairly elegant solution for light-up buttons that tell a loved one you are thinking about them, even from very great distances. If this project inspires you to make something cool, let us know, and we might showcase it at dbboards.com.